What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Johnny Lopez here, and today I'll be showing you all how to take two images, convert that into one, making it your own, and then utilizing it to make some money online. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right, guys, as you'll see, this is the image I decided to go with. We are doing a summer theme. I decided to go without the knapsack she had on her back. But for the purposes today, all you need to do, you can do this on any art program. As you see, I'm utilizing the two images, one for just the arm, and the other one for basically the full body. So I took the arm from the second image and the full body from the first, and we are combining them and making them one image. And this is really, a cartoony kind of feel that I'm going for, because I'm going to convert this into a PNG after. So all you need to do is just outline it, have your vision in sight, and you can make it happen. You know what I mean? You don't need, for purposes of online transactions, all you need to do is find your inspiration, find your reference, and utilize that to create your own piece, right? And now that we are done with this, we are going to take it in to Photoshop. Now we have the image brought into Photoshop, and once you have a tight black outline, you do not need the lasso tool. You can go straight here to the magic wand tool. We're on the magic wand, and it is on 100% tolerance, and shift button to add onto your selection. Delete, background is deleted, and reselect. Now we go to stroke, 35% pixels. And this is a personal preference, what size you want your outline to be for your PNG. I like it a little thicker. To me, it makes the image stand out a little more. Once you're happy with that, export. Save for web, that's usually where I go. Export it as a PNG, name it, and once that is done, now we come here on my Redbubble page and add new work. The curated corner, we just added new work here. Find it on the desktop. I named it Shorts PNG. And one of the cool features I showed you guys was how to find the tags. It's good to just have multiple windows open so you can do a quick search. All you need to do is come here for stickers. I showed you some of this in a previous video, and find the ones that relate. I think, shorts, I wanted the feel of summer, so to get some of this vibe going. So as you see, these are some of the top tags here, top searches, top categories. So you want to take it from there, fill that out. And remember, the cool thing about Redbubble, you don't have to put it on every item. Stickers and magnets are some of the top sellers, so I'm definitely going here with my stickers. I don't know about a pillow, but we'll figure it out. And this is what's cool about, making money online and uploading your images. You find something that inspires you. You can take two images, create one, it becomes your own, and no one can take that from you. And of course, when you are done, you hit what it was made with, digital illustration design and illustration, digital art. I have some collections down here. I'm not gonna put it in a collection right now. It's no mature content. Yeah, the shorts, that's not too mature, but we'll do it like that. And it's a lot of items that you go through and figure out what it looks good on. And that's all part of the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some value from it. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.